Alright guys, 2017 Nissan Juke Nismo. Go ahead. This is before stock sound decibels. 83. One more time. I'll let you guys hear when we get done.
2017 Nissan Juke Nismo edition. Turbo. Got manifold cat up there somewhere. Then got a secondary cat there that we replaced with a high flow cat, as you guys can see right there. Then we ran and we took the resonator off and put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer, part number 71415. There will be a link in the description for it, right there. Then we continued the stock pipe and deleted the muffler. The muffler usually comes on this long ways. I'll show it to you guys in a second. It fills up this whole gap right there. All right, so like usually fills up this whole gap. We took it off and ran them straight pipe there and put them a carbon fiber tip, blue. There'll be a link in the description for it also, right there, to complete the look. There's the muffler, that's what I was talking about. It has the inlet and outlet on the same side, and it's very, very restricted. So we took it off, and there's the resonator behind it that we took off. It wasn't restricted, but it's just too long and too quiet. He wanted a different tone, so we gave it to him. There it is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, it's not overly loud. Again? He was worried it's going to be too loud. I like that. Again? Here's sound decibels. Right at 88. So it didn't do much, but it cleaned up the sound a lot. You guys got to remember, when it's a turbo car, the turbo takes a lot of the sound away. And it is a Nissan Juke Nismo. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Juke Nismo. You see the Nismo turbo. Runs about 200 horsepower. We just gave it another 10-15 horsepower by opening it up. Hope you guys like it.